Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this cranberry, Valentine's, pinky, purpley look. It's very fucking easy. We don't have to try too hard this Valentine's, so let me just fucking show you how to do it. Alright. So right here I was just showing you how uneven my eyebrows are. They're really fucking ugly and it's a disappointment. I ain't even gonna cap to you. My eyebrows are never even. These are not sisters. They stay being distant cousins. Never the same. So the first palette I'm gonna use is the what is this? And here go this bitch not knowing what the fuck she talking about. Ooh La La palette from ColourPop, and I'm gonna take this color. I'm making this one a talk through because I don't know why the first tutorial I did on my channel was with some lame ass music in the back. I don't know. I'm gonna just do this and I'm gonna speed through it, cut some parts out. You know what I'm doing, okay? I'm just fucking blending this fucking color in my crease. Okay, so I put poodle all in my crease, everywhere, messily. Doesn't really matter how it looks. This is just what you need right now. Okay. And now, you're gonna grab, this is a lot of ColourPop because I really fuck with these little palettes from ColourPop. It's my pleasure, the purple palette. And we're gonna grab fan fiction. First fan fiction. We're gonna deepen this up at the corner. Just like that. Okay, with the same brush or a different brush. I really don't care. This is just what I'm doing. That's what you're gonna do. And I'm gonna speed it up now. So this is where I start adding the new color, and you're gonna see throughout the video that somehow in the video it shows that it's just blending all together, but I promise you in person there's two different colors, one in the outer crease and then what fades in to be the pink, but you just can't tell on the fucking video and I hate it. Fucking shit. Don't know. Oh my god, I'm sorry I suck at makeup. I'm sorry. I'm not an MUA. I'm not no more. I'm sorry. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Plus, I was high as shit. I'm sorry, bro. God damn. I feel like I lost some of that pink, so we're gonna go back into Ooh La La. We're gonna get Sandbar. We're gonna go in with some Sandbar and then this color. Just to deepen it out again once we put that pink back in. So, Sandbar. I think I use this one for red, so hopefully it doesn't turn red. Cannot lose that pink. It's Valentine's Day. I'm gonna get this big old brush and just buff it out. We're gonna go into Caddy and just put it back in. Then this is where the fuck I started getting pissed the fuck off because for some reason it wanted to become patchy and not fucking stick to my outer corner. So the fucking purple that I was using was just not it, and it was just pissing me off. So it took a fucking minute for the purple to stick on the outer corner, and I guess I got it somehow. But yeah. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put pink all over because I want to do like, I don't know, something with purple. I said something purple, but I put on pink. What the fuck? this is just sandbar all over the lid again. I'm doing eyeliner. I don't know what else to do. I'm doing eyeliner. They're distant cousins too. I'm sorry. I always have to make this liner thicker because I have less eyelid space here, or like a more hooded eye here than I do on this eye. So how do I say it? If I make a thin liner here, it looks like it fills up my whole eye because of my hooded eye. So I have to make it thick over here so it looks it, you know? I don't know if you know, but that's what I do, okay? Yeah. Now, I'm gonna put glitter eyeliner all over. Okay? Okay. Okay, this is what it looks like. Simple but cute for Valentine's Day, you know? So, the lashes I'm wearing today, there's weed in there, but don't mind it. Is the Virgo from the pink box, the pink makeup box. These are my favorite lashes, the Virgo ones. You'll see how they look when I put them on. They're really cute. These are my everyday lashes. I don't know why. They're big as shit, but I just like wearing them every day. They're like nice lashes. They're really fluffy, wispy. They're cute. And here's the final look. Wow, fucking la. Easy peasy, lemon motherfucking squeezy. Even though it got hard a couple times, but we fucking got through it. I didn't do my hair, but this is me showing you the final result. Oh, I wish you could see how dark the outer corners actually are, because when I show you right here, it just looks like it blends, like it's pink and then it just like, I don't know, but you could tell the difference in person, that it's like purpley cranberry over here and then pink over here. And of course, I didn't film a fucking outro, but thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe if you want to, and follow me on Instagram at Juliana Nicole, and add me on Snapchat at the same username, Juliana Nicole. Everything's gonna be listed in the description, and thanks for watching.